How to change a video aspect on CapCut. Are you guys facing issues to change your video aspect on CapCut application? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open CapCut on a mobile device. Once you open the app, enter the project that you want to change the video aspect on. Once you enter the project, look at the bottom of your screen where you can see multiple options over here. Just drag it to the left side. Once you drag it, you'll be able to see the option for aspect ratio. Click on it. After you click on it, select the ratio according to your preference. If you want to create video for Instagram, click on Instagram and click on checkmark. And that's it guys, that's how we're going to change our video aspect on CapCut application. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I'll catch you up in the next one. Bye bye.